Hello, in this video I will discuss about information system and the terms associated with it and how what are the three different components of that one. That part we'll discuss. And so the definition of information system or IS is the information systems are combinations of hardware, software and telecommunication network which people build and use to collect, create and distribute useful data, typically in organizational settings. When data are organized in a way that is useful to people, this data is defined as information. The term information system is also used to represent the field in which people develop, use, manage and study computer-based information systems in organization. The field of IS is huge, diverse and growing and encompasses many different people, purposes, systems and technologies. There are three major components of information system, namely technology, people and organization. The technology part of information system is the hardware, software and telecommunications network. The people who build, manage, use and study information system make up the people component. They include system analysts, system programmers, information systems professors and many others. Finally, information systems typically reside and are used within organization, so they are said to have an organizational component. Together these three aspects form an information system. There are different types of information systems, namely transaction processing system, management information system, executive information system, decision support system, expert system, functional area information system and many others like office automation system, collaboration system, electronic commerce system, enterprise resource planning system or ERP systems. So we'll go one by one. What are these information system? What are the different types of information system that is used inside an organization? First is transaction processing system. Transaction processing system designed to process day-to-day business event data at the organizational level of the organization. Example: grocery store checkout cash register with connection to network. Similarly, another type of information system is management information system. Management information system designed to produce detailed information to help manage a farm or part of a farm. Like the sample application of that one is inventory management and planning system. Next comes executive information system. It is designed to provide very high level aggregate information to support executive level decision making, and the examples is news retrieval and stock update information system. Next is decision support system. Decision support system provide analysis tools and access to databases in order to support quantitative decision making. Like we often use that one for product demand forecasting system. Next is expert system. Expert system mimic human expert in a particular area and provide answers or advice. Like automated system for analyzing suppose bank loan applications. Similarly, another type of information system is functional area information system that support the activities within a specific functional area of the firm. Like we have different functional area like marketing, finance, HR, operations management. So system planning for personal training and assignment, all these are coming under your functional area information system. So there are other information systems like office automation system, like support wide range of predefined day-to-day work activities of individuals and small groups, like MS Word, Excel. Collaborative information system enable people to communicate, collaborate, and coordinate with each other, like electron email with automated share calendar. Okay, like we have similarly CRM, enterprise resource planning. All these are also different types of information system that support like CRM support interaction between the firms and its customer. Your ERP support and integrate all facets of business, including planning, manufacturing, sales, marketing, and so on. So thank you. This is all about information system and the components of information system with the different types of information system. Thank you.